Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how you can prepare two simple homemade green cleaning solutions to use at home. I've been in this business for over 18 years now and this has taught me a lot. I've learned just how important living in a clean environment is and how much of an impact can have on every aspect of your life. Lately, I've been wondering, is there a way to do even more for my cleaners and clients? I found the answer and it is resounding yes. I've always strived to remove any dangers from the work of my cleaners in your spaces so that all of us can live cleaner and safer lives. And now I found a way to take this even further. I gave eco-friendly cleaning a shot at home, and I've been amazed by the sheer power of lemon acid, vinegar, baking soda, and the other do-it-yourself home cleaning remedies. Did you know, for example, that you can completely eliminate bleach from your home and still keep everything just as shiny as before without having to worry about toxic exposure or health problems? And I've been using them to great effect. I found that if you clean your home often enough, you will never need to rely on dangerous commercial solutions. Dust and dirt just don't have enough time to build up, and so the fancy cleaners are not longer needed. That's why it's best to clean your home as often as possible, preferably every week. You can quickly and easily clean your home by using a handful of products that you most likely have lying around already. Lemon juice or whole lemons, white vinegar, lemon acid, reusable spray bottles, make sure they're recyclable. We suggest these bottles, they're recyclable and are really long-lived. We are currently working on outfitting our teams with glass bottles to reduce the carbon footprint of our services further. We'll keep you posted. Bamboo cloths. Bamboo cloths are not only reusable but also biodegradable. Stay tuned for great deals on bamboo cloths. When dealing with a property maintained on a weekly or fortnightly basis, you only need two products. One for your bathroom and one multi-purpose cleaner for your kitchen, floors and living room. How to make an all-purpose, eco-friendly cleaning solution. When it comes to cleaning, white vinegar is one of the most powerful substances in your kitchens. It can be used to deal with any dirty surfaces or stained surfaces, your windows, blinds, upholstery, floors and more. Half a cup distilled white vinegar, half a cup water, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, a clean and empty spray bottle. Combine your vinegar and water in the spray bottle. Add in the essential oil and gently shake. Directly apply to the surface in question and wipe the dirt away with a clean cloth. How to clean your home with citric acid. For this recipe, you need a packet of citric or lemon acid, a kettle to boil some water in, a spray bottle and a clean cloth. Simply fill your kettle about halfway with water and once it reaches boiling temperature, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of citric acid. Let it boil for 2 more minutes and you've got yourself a very potent toxin-free cleaner. Not only that, but you've just disinfected your kettle at no additional cost. Eco-friendly alternatives. Replace these items with a healthier and safer alternative. Kitchen wipes. You can replace wet wipes with bamboo fiber cloths. Just prepare a bunch of cloth napkins, 30 should be sufficient for a week, and wash them after each use. This will help you reduce the amount of waste produced by your household and save you money at the same time.
Check the link below in the description if you wish to find them online. Bamboo cloths are perfect for your home as they're biodegradable.
Sponges. Replace sponges with loafer, a biodegradable, dishwasher-friendly alternative. Great for dealing with any sort of kitchen emergency as well as a day-to-day dishwashing. Air fresheners. Essential oils can be used to achieve the same effect with no added cost for the environment. Alternatively, you can purchase a couple of whole lemons, place them in a bowl, distribute them around your home and enjoy a refreshing fragrance. We believe that this is a change in the right direction. We believe the future of London and the UK will be greener and brighter than ever. And we hope that you support us in this eco-friendly endeavor. Together, we can make the world a cleaner and a greener place. If you wish to see more of these video tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments, please share them below. It will be great to read them. Feel free to share the video with your friends. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Till next time, stay green and clean.